Hello and welcome back to GistAngle, your hub for hot gist and verified news updates. Today, we are bringing you live updates from Abuja, where the Federal High Court is currently delivering proceedings in the terrorism trial of Nnamdi Kanu, leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB. This trial has captured national and international attention. Supporters view Kanu as a symbol of political resistance, while critics and the government classify him as a threat to national security. Today, we are bringing you a detailed update on everything that has happened so far inside the courtroom. Before we get into today's event, here is a quick recap. Kanu has been on trial for years, facing charges that include terrorism and unlawful activities related to IPOB. Earlier in November, the court foreclosed his defense, meaning Kanu had 6 days to present his arguments but did not do so. This effectively limited his options as the court prepared to deliver the judgment. Today, the courtroom is tense. Security is heightened in Abuja and the southeast, reflecting the high stakes of the case. Every motion, statement, and procedural move is being closely watched, both in Nigeria and internationally. Here is what has happened so far inside the courtroom. Kanu's legal defense filed several motions, including requests for the case to be referred to the Court of Appeal, a stay for proceedings until those issues are resolved, and a fresh application for bail. The court, however, dismissed the bail request, stating that the case does not meet the conditions for bail under pending trial or appeal rules. There were also tense moments in the courtroom, as Kanu reportedly refused to hand over the microphone, prompting the judge to warn him and emphasize that proceedings will continue regardless of his behavior. In an interesting development, the judge has said that key issues raised by Kanu, such as the legality of the charges and questions about jurisdiction, will be addressed within the final judgment itself, rather than in separate hearings. So far, the courtroom has seen motions, warnings, and procedural drama, but the final verdict has not yet been delivered. The big question now is, will today's judgment fully resolve the legal issues raised by Kanu, or will it leave the door open for appeals and further legal battles? This is the moment that millions of Nigerians, IPOB supporters, and observers are waiting for. A moment that could have lasting consequences on the political and legal landscape of the country. Stay tuned to GistAngle as we continue to bring you live updates from the courtroom. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any moment of this historic trial.
It's GistAngle.